Do you know the 4 ways to be more productive without being hard on yourself? क्या आप जानना चाहते हैं 4 ऐसे कौन से प्रोडक्टिव तरीके हैं जिससे आप अपने आप पर हार्ड नहीं हो सकते हैं? And gentle productivity, is a secret to consistently great work.
Narendra Kaur is the author of the book The Phoenix from Ashes to Rebirth, founder of the Women Power Unleashed, who helps women to raise the phoenix in themselves and live a supremely empowered and dignified life.
Hi, this is Narendra Kaur. So today I'm gonna talk about what are the 4 ways to be more productive. तो कुछ लोग सोचते हैं, कुछ नहीं बहुत लोग सोचते हैं कि what the secret of productivity is hard work. Yeah, but here's the thing about hard work कि hard work actually आपको hard बना देता है. So hard work is like pushing hard and giving you a hard treatment which does not work. So working hard turns out into being on hard yourself. So it is motivating for some time, for some moment, it is momentary, but ये ज़्यादा लॉन्ग रन में नहीं चलता है. इससे क्या होता है? सबसे पहले सेल्फ क्रिटिसिज्म धीरे धीरे कैन फील मोटिवेटिंग फॉर सम मोमेंट. For some moment it will be motivating, but in the end it leads to shame and it leads to self-directed anger. Number 2, हम लोग क्या लगता है परफेक्शनिज्म के उसमें चल जाते हैं. परफेक्शन चाहिए, but perfectionism can make you feel more in control, and in the end क्या होगा कि आप anxious हो जाएंगे, आप stressed out हो जाएंगे, आपकी energies lose होंगी and productivity कम हो जाएगी. और third thing is chronic self doubt. उससे आपका healthy reflection होगा, but the thing is in the end it will lead to low self worth. It will lead to poor self confidence. So which does not help in your work. So what are the 4 ways to harness the power of gentle productivity to get more of your work done in less of time and with more of your energy? So number 1 is stop fighting your procrastination. So what we think is कि हम procrastinate कर रहे हैं, which is actually very very right. Procrastination is a part of life. So we feel the urge to procrastinate, but it's how we respond, we are human beings. So that's the urge that matters. So the desire जो होती है वो procrastination is quite normal, जो हर एक human being में है. But हमारा माइंड जो है उसको एक्सप्रेस करता है कि इट्स अ नेचुरल डिजायर फॉर नॉवेल्टी एंड क्यूरोसिटी, एंड नो मैटर हाउ कमिटेड टू अ पीस ऑफ वर्क यू विल एक्चुअली then feel the urge to put off getting to work in favor of something more immediately enjoyable. So the key to staying productive in the long run is to acknowledge the urge of procrastination. कि आप क्यों प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट कर रहे हो उसकी एक्नॉलेजमेंट करो इंस्टेड ऑफ फाइटिंग विद इट. उससे फाइट करने से आपको रिजल्ट नहीं मिलेगा, बट उसके साथ उसकी अर्ज को एक्नॉलेज करो. So what is the need of? Number 2 is fall in love with your routine. When you fall in love with your routine, it will love back to you. So good routines are the secret weapon of highly focused people. आपको अपनी एक डेली रूटीन बनानी चाहिए जिससे आपका एक सिस्टम बने. So maintaining focus will also require always effort and willpower to some extent. But just because focus sometimes requires effort, doesn't mean it always should. But you should have routine of your work. Number 3, energize the environment. You know what? In everything is energy, and एनर्जी में आपकी जो ऑरा है वो इंक्रीज होती है. अगर आपका एनवायरनमेंट अच्छा नहीं होगा देन यू विल नॉट फील गुड एट ऑल. तो एनर्जाइज योर एनवायरनमेंट. डीक्लटरिंग करो पहले अपना सिस्टम, अपना आसपास का एरियाज, अपना घर में, अपने ऑफिस में, एंड अपने जितने भी आपको एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें दिख रही हैं उनको हटाओ. बिकॉज आपका एनवायरनमेंट ठीक होगा तो आपकी एनर्जीज ठीक होंगी. आपकी एनर्जीज ठीक होंगी तो आपका काम करने का मन करेगा. सो एनर्जाइज योर एनवायरनमेंट Just like the activities and people in your life give and take energy, so does your physical environment, which is very, very important to cleanse your environment, to be in the positive environment, be in the positive energy, and it matters a lot. So number 4 is eliminate competitive motivations. So one of the most common factor causes of low motivation is saying yes to competitive motivation. So motivation is energy, that is fine, but when you are full of energy, you feel motivated, and when your energy tank is empty, motivation disappears. Yeah. So you can't expect to have high level energies, high level of motivations for the things that matter most to you. But if you're wasting all your energy on things that don't really matter, then how can you possibly have the motivation to say yes that to a new hobby, to a new task in your life? It's not possible. Yeah. So how can you possibly make your progress on your personal initiative at work? So motivating, eliminate competitive motivations. That's really important. You have plenty of motivation, but stop wasting it on things that don't really matter in your life. Thank you so much. And all you need to know is you want to be sustainably productive. Embrace the power of gentle productivity. Stop fighting your procrastination. Fall in love with the environment. Fall in love with the energies. Fall in love with the routines. Eliminate competitive motivations. Thanks a lot. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of my YouTube channel. I'll be back very soon and with more of videos. Till then, take care. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.